Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back.
Temperature changes can be tricky, but we will solve this calculus problem fast. Let's use the net change theorem to find the final house temperature.
First, look at the integral of the derivative from 0 to 8. According to the net change theorem, this integral represents the total change in temperature over that specific time interval.
Now, we add the initial value h of 0 to that integral. This calculation combines the starting temperature at midnight with the total change that occurred during the next 8 hours.
The sum simplifies to H8. This represents the actual temperature inside the house at 8 a.m., making option A the only correct choice. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid a rush on signs, trust the given units, and check your steps.